Because we haven't actually looked in that today. Maybe I'll move this over here. Okay, we're good. So yeah, let's have a closer look now that we've finally finished the set. I'm glad that you enjoyed watching it, Ruth. I'm so glad you found us. Present VOD watcher from past person. Yes, present Barnstar. Thank you so much for sending us this set. From past TSG. So I guess we'll start from the top down. If we remove this part of the roof, we can see a very cute little bedroom at the top of the bookstore that includes, let me get to my camera controls. It includes Benjamin, the chameleon, currently blue, or teal rather. Wait. Is it teal? Yeah. No? Yeah, I can't tell. Yeah, it's teal. So we've got Benjamin, the chameleon, in the habitat there in the bedroom. Otherwise a fairly bare bedroom, but I love the design for that bed. The ornate bed frame is so cute. And obviously this part is just, that's beautiful. All of that just looks so good. We'll move on. I'll break it and then we'll move on. On the second floor, we have the balcony. I have broken it so much, but not when I was doing orchard work though. Wait, you're back? Oh, the rule. Right, okay, I was gonna say. I don't know why I went to back. Yeah, so we have the balcony here, which has a cute couple of chairs and a little table for to share a coffee over. And then in the interior, we have our first look at those gorgeous stairs that I'm a huge fan of. I love the way that that's built. The spiral staircase in billiards-esque green and brown. Yeah, my camera settings weren't right, I don't think. Maybe I'm not getting enough light in there. It doesn't look very... It doesn't really quite look right. There you go. I turned the light up a little bit, which is now reflecting off my enormous forehead. But yeah, we've got a really pretty... Whoa, that is the wrong button. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Okay, my bad. I pressed the wrong button. We've got a really beautiful grandfather clock that you can see if I open up the door. You can see through there to it. It is... just about 7 minutes to noon, it looks like. So it's nearly the end of the morning. A lovely black reclining armchair, a little rug, a lamp, another little coffee table next to the armchair. What a peaceful little place to live. Not a whole lot else to see in there. Hey, back from making nachos for dinner. Big yum, Dork Noodle. We're finished the set. Welcome back. You're just in time to see the grand tour of the entire set. And then finally, we have the bottom floor, which is the bookshop itself. So this is the only part of the entire set that is actually the bookshop, even though the set is called the bookshop. I'm a big fan of green and brown together, apparently. That's really my vote. Wait, it's 11 o'clock on that clock? What? No. No, it's like 7 minutes to noon. That's the small hand pointing at noon, my man. I think you got it backwards. Anyway. I already showed you. Come on, man. God, yeah. Well, now there's no light in there. That is 7 minutes to noon. Small hand pointing at the 12. This is play school? Big hand pointing at, well, just after 10. Okay, 8 minutes to noon. Whatever. I was being approximate. You're the one that thought it was 11 o'clock. Learn the time with TSG. What's the time on the rocket clock? Alright, back to it. So the bookshop part is surprising lack of actual books. In fact, there's only one book in the entire set. Medium, Darcy. Medium, thank you. There's only one book in the entire set, which is Moby Brick, which is hilarious, obviously. If we look inside, you can see some books lining the back of the wall, the back wall there. And for the rest, I think we're going to have to look in from the top. The rocket clock is from Play School. I don't know if you have that in the UK, though. I have a clock that doesn't work in my house and it sits on 11 o'clock. Well, see, not every clock is sitting on 11 o'clock, though. Might look at the fireworks on Animal Crossing soon. Hey, yeah, fam, go join. Absolutely, you guys should go hang out in Animal Crossing. We've got books on the bookshelf there. I really like that bookshelf. It's I can pull it out actually. It's very cute. Good range of books there. And the tiled floor is so cool too. The different, like the two different yellows and the gold as well. But the real standout to me is actually the stairs. There's even an extra little bookshelf up here too. I just love those spiral stairs so much. The front of the shop is gorgeous. Birch books. There's no mistaking where you're shopping. There we go. Adjust that. We're good. Boigers have been ordered. Let's go. I'm invited. I'm streaming. I'm probably gonna keep streaming. Sorry, Dog Noodle. Otherwise, I would. But I'm gonna keep streaming, and we're gonna build another set. So that is the bookshop part. What is that? A 6 of the set is actually bookshop. That's not a complaint. It's just I just think it's funny. Moving on, we have. That's okay, Darcy. We have the townhouse, which I will keep disconnected because I need to pull stuff apart and show it to you. I feel like the townhouse is actually the standout here. What do you guys think? I feel like the townhouse is the more ornate, the more eye-catching, the more beautiful part. I mean, for one thing, teal is my favorite Lego color. And I love the color scheme. The white, teal, and navy blue is just gorgeous. And then the turquoise window frames. I do want to know why it's number 107. I'm sure it'll be a reference to something. Possibly just something personal to the designer. The lamps there are very cute too. And this little staircase is so well designed. It's just a shame that it doesn't necessarily, the rails don't necessarily stay in the correct position. But aside from that, it's lovely. And I love the little flower bed as well. Townhouse is the star of the show, even though the build is called the bookshop. Exactly. That's exactly how I feel. For sure, I agree with that. That line isn't losing us meaning. No, it's fine. I love when my homies agree with me. If we turn around the back as well, this is really cool. This part is actually over the staircase. It's just a really neat way to do that. Like, they could have just had like another little chunky square, but it gives it so much more character. It's a skylight. Yeah, exactly. And the balcony itself is so cute too. I love the little planter on the railing. And of course, let's not forget our little pumpkin patch. But let's open her up. Simply remove the balcony to reveal the very cute bedroom within.